Fulton from Clear Lake has a question about pools.
Specifically, his question is about what they're made of. So Fulton writes, when I research pros and cons of gunite versus fiberglass pools, in my mind, he says, fiberglass wins out. But many people tell me the last thing I want is a fiberglass pool. So, Tom, is fiberglass really that bad? And what's Fulton missing here?
Oh, yeah. I've talked to many pool builders. I've built many pools. Fiberglass is a mobile home. Gunite is a well-built home.
Got it.
It's the total difference. I remember looking at a house once for my mother, and it had a pool in the back because she wanted a pool, and it had a fiberglass pool, and it had all these cracks and stuff in it. It was a mess. And to replace it, you'd have to pull the whole thing apart. Gunite, you can go in, you can acid wash them, you can paint them, you can retexture them, or plaster them, I should say. It's just a better thing in the ground. That's all there is to it. There's not even close to being the same.
Okay, I get that for our region, but if you go north of the freeze line, if you're up in the North Country, and you know where the freeze line moves further down and the ground's going to harden up around it, you don't think that would be a place where a fiberglass pool would make more sense?
I don't know, because I don't live up there with a pool.
Yeah.
A lot of pools, people don't have them.
Right.
That's a part of the country. I know they drain the pools in the wintertime.
Which is like scary. Yeah.
Yeah, you can't do it here because it'll pop out of the ground.
I was going to say, it'll well, maybe not all the way, but it'll come up enough that it won't be usable.
I just want to talk about the Houston area and what I know with pools.
Well, south of the freeze line. If you're living in the south.
I lived in Lake Placid, and nobody had a pool. They were indoors, but
I think the object to this though for Fulton is that if he's in Clear Lake, we recommend gunite.
Oh, absolutely.
But if you live in Clear Lake, Iowa, where you might
where the
day the music died. That's where the music died.
And we're about to have a voting thing there soon.
Yes, we are. Well, we did when at the time we taped this, we were about to. By now, you know how it turned out.
Yeah.
But anyway, but in any event, if you're up there, you may want to talk to a really qualified pool builder to be sure.
Oh, I think wherever you live, you need to go with the pros.
Because it's a localized kind of thing.
Yeah, but you go with the pros. And here in Houston, we have the certified Home Show pros, and I'll guarantee you that if you call Colt at U.S. Pool Builders, he's going to say gunite only.
Without a doubt.
Yep.
All right. You got a question, we'd be happy to help you out and even point you to one of our Home Show pros. You'll find them and the Ask Tom form at HomeShowRadio.com. When you send it in, we'll take your question, answer it in one of these videos, or maybe put it on our Facebook Live broadcast.